If you can feel the buzzing, tingling energy in your hands and fingers right now as I swat these mosquitoes away, I'm gonna show you a Jedi mind trick to become super relaxed without moving a muscle. Notice your hands, fingers, and arms with your mental spotlight, and don't try to change the sensations in your hands, fingers, and arms. Just allow them to be there. And go all the way up the chain of the neck into the face. Notice the neck muscles. It's a dragonfly now. Notice the face, the jaw, the eyes. And don't try to change anything you notice. Just observe it and allow it to be as it is. And go down the core now, the chest, the stomach, the back. Just allow them to be as they are as you observe all the muscles of the core, all the sensations in the organs. And go down through the pelvis, down through the legs. Really start to investigate what you're noticing. Not even moving a muscle, just kind of noticing what you notice, all the way down to the feet, observing what's presently there, and just not trying to change anything about it, just allowing it to be as it is. And now notice the whole body, head to toe, all the sensations, a giant river of sensations flowing with the rhythm of the breath. And just allow all the sensations in the body to be as they are, head to toe. As an experiment, just keep observing and allowing. And notice how that transforms the sensations in even subtle ways. Just stay tuned in, stay observing as you deeply allow, even deeper, completely allowing what you feel and what you notice. And notice any shift in your tension levels, in your relaxation, and notice how that shifted, not through you doing anything, just using the power of your mind to observe and then allow. Body part by body part, and then the entire body. Repeat that process anytime you notice you're out of tune with yourself, anytime you notice you're tense. Observe and allow, all with the power of your mind. And have a great day.